Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Today we are doing something with the face, obviously, because I am all up in your face. I'm close. Over the holiday season, I purchased this, the Bitey Brightening CC Serum set. Now you guys already know I own one of them, which, yeah, I still have it. I still use it as well. And I want to try out, they come in 4 different colors, but I did the last one, the Sunny Flash, which I love, but I also want to see what the other colors kind of look like on my skin complexion, and I thought you guys would too. So I picked it up, and it was nice because it's a small set. And that was cute. It's very cute. It gave me 3 of the colors. One I already have, of course, the Sunny Flash. It did not come with the number 1, which is the Immaculate Light. It comes with number 2, Rose Elixir, and number 3, Apricot Glow. So yeah, so I thought this was cool. This retails for $91, and as you guys know, one of these normally costs $91. Of course, in a bigger size. I should have brought mine out here, but it's 1.01 ounces that you get for the bigger size for $91, and it's lasting me a while. But of course, I don't use it every day either. But I thought it was cute, and so let's talk about it. This looks exactly like the bottle, in all honesty. It's a big top, just a small version of it. This is glass, and it's just it's a nice bottle. Very nice bottle. Now, because I've already done this one, I'll just swatch this one, and I'll link below I think it's my first impression video or my review video in the description box of the Sunny Flash. Today we are doing half and half on my face of the number 2, which is Rose Elixir, and number 3, which is the Apricot Glow or Apricot Glow. For those of you guys who do not know what this is the Bitey Cellularose Brightening CC Serum. It's targeted toward all those concerned with a dull, dehydrated complexion in need of a radiance boost. The CC Serum imparts a subtle veil of light reflective pearl pigments on your skin to create a more even-toned, radiant canvas. It does do that. With color control technology, this innovative silky serum corrects uneven tone, neutralizing redness, and disguising dark spots to restore uniformity to skin. Yes, so it's an innovative beauty solution. This soft serum blends color control capabilities with a gentle exfoliating action, revitalizing age spots and working to prevent further discoloration. The result is a long-lasting, natural-looking freshness that optimizes the complexion and lasts throughout the day. Wear it alone to feel confident in your own skin every day, or blend it with foundation for fuller coverage with a luminous finish. It hides imperfections, counteracts redness and dark spots, wards off new signs of aging, and multi-use for different looks, and of course it's brightening. So let's do one on each side, and then I'll put foundation over each to see how it looks. All right, we'll start off with the Rose Elixir. Ooh. Oh, the smell is good. It smells like roses. In all honesty, it does. Oh, that puts a pretty... This definitely is like a rose gold look. And it's kind of iridescent. That's interesting. You guys can just see the difference. Let's put on the other one on the other side, the Apricot Glow. It's weird the way this is coming out because I'm having to use my finger to do this because it's just going down the bottle. That's not how the bigger one does. The bigger one, the spout comes out and it doesn't get messy on you. okay. This one blends more into my skin. Let's try a little bit more just to see. This has a goldish, light goldish. And let me swatch the other one. My favorite, the Sunny Flash. Go ahead and do this. How pretty that is. Right? Let's talk about it first before I put my makeup on and show you how it looks with makeup on. I don't think either of these would work for my tone wearing it by itself. It drowns me out. It makes me look pale. Yeah, I feel like it makes me look pale. Whereas this gives me a luminosity. The Sunny Flash gives me a luminosity and kind of brings my skin to life. All right, guys, so what do I think? I think, did it add some luminosity? Yes, there's a subtle glow that's coming from my face. Did it matter which color I used when putting underneath my foundation? It really doesn't look that way. I do notice though with this that it adds a bit more glow, and it's probably because it's darker and yeah. So these are not, let's not mistake these with highlighters. These are not highlighters. These are to add a subtle glow to wear alone or with foundation, but it is first and foremost a skincare product that adds glow. So I could wear these under my makeup, but I could not wear these by themselves because they wash me out, in my opinion. So I'm glad that I got the Sunny Flash and the big one, and I know that I can mix this with my foundation to make my foundation have some skincare properties, which is great, you know, and they smell good. But these would be for different skin tones, in my opinion, than my own. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys to figure out which one, if you plan on buying one, which one is best for you, which one works better for your skin tone or may look better on your skin tone. And yeah, so that's interesting though, how pale it made me look. I'm going to put them all together so you guys can see what they look like next to each other. There we go. That's number 2, number 3, and number 4. Still love the CC Serum. I just know that Sunny Flash is definitely the one for me if I want to use it by itself, and which I do quite a bit. I just put that on and walk outside the house. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing Wednesday. Stop babbling, Shawana. And I will see you guys next time. Ouch. Bye. Yeah. Yeah, that's good to know. But I do have a nice glow. It did give me a glow, just not as deep as with my Sunny Flash. And I definitely have to wear makeup with these. So I will stick with buying my Sunny Flash.